Achieves Women, Employment, and Newcomer Services conducted 16 focus group sessions where 119 immigrant and racialized women and youth from the Greater Toronto Area discussed employment barriers they encountered whilst pursuing entry into the Canadian workforce. This is what we heard.
Hello, my name is Raksha. I was born in India, I'm 39 years old, and I'm the mother to 2 children. I attended university in the United States, and I've been working as an IT architect for 15 years. I worked in New Delhi for 10 years, and I worked in the United States for 5 years. I decided to move to Canada 2 years ago to advance my career and to provide a better and safer life for my 2 daughters.
Although participants have years of experience abroad, they are not given employment opportunities due to a lack of Canadian job experience.
Trying to find employment in Canada has been extremely frustrating. Employers keep throwing Canadian experience in the faces of people who've had over 15 years of experience in different parts of the world. I feel like I've been reduced to nothing. The skills to do my job are the same, regardless of the place that I'm working. If you take a country like the United States, a country that operates fairly similarly to Canada in terms of relevant professional experience, then what is this Canadian experience that they're looking for? If you're a working professional, you should be able to move from one location to another, regardless of geography, and do exactly the same function that you have experience in.
The research for advancing equity for women and girls recommends that employers remove the requirement for Canadian work experience, taking into consideration immigrant women's professional international experience and their transferable skills. Join the conversation. Share your story using #AEWG.